Morning everybody, welcome back again to my channel. This is Sapna and you are watching 19th March IELTS writing task 1 की prediction के लिए एक task है ये combination chart where I will be telling you how to write down a task 1 like this जिसमें 7.5 bands guaranteed है अगर आप ऐसे ही लिख के आते हैं तो so watch till the end of it because this is really going to be helpful and beneficial. Mark these वर्ड्स, ये आपके लिए बहुत ही बेनिफिटेड होगा, बहुत ही बेनिफिशियल रहेगा फॉर श्योर अगर आप ये पूरी की पूरी वीडियो ध्यान से देखते हैं एंड यू सी कैसे कॉम्बिनेशन चार्ट को किया जाता है. The topic here is the line graph shows the number of books that were borrowed in 4 different months in 2014 from 4 village libraries and the pie chart shows the percentage of books. See, ये 5 to 7 minutes का hardly 10 minutes का वीडियो होगा but this will definitely change your perception कि task 1 कैसे लिखना चाहिए. Those who do not know the format, जो basic students हैं especially उनके लिए यह बहुत काम आने वाला है कि combination chart लिखने के लिए हमें कितने paragraphs लिखने चाहिए, अलग अलग paragraphs में क्या करना है, whether conclusion यहाँ पर रहता है कि यहाँ पर रहता है, कौन से paragraph में रहता है. So students का सारा confusion अभी clear हो जाएगा if you watch till the end. So quickly let's go to the passage. इसमें है क्या? This one is the first one, that is number of books borrowed from 4 village libraries. You can see 4 libraries are written over here. That is West Eton, Ruislip, Suttonwood and Churchmount. जब हमें line graph दिया होता है, we have to go with the trend. हमें ट्रेंड जरूर देखना होता है कि इसमें क्या लिखें. So here you can start with these 2 points which are matched with each other and the maximum one. You can talk like this. And wherever you find the edges, where you find a sudden change, a drastic change, an erratic change, you can go with that. आप वो check कर सकते हैं and you also will definitely describe this. No need to describe the whole chart, the whole points here. No, not at all. You will just find, and this is a drop, a reduction, there is an erratic trend here, there is a considerable noticeable change in the trend here. So you will discuss these 2 points for sure. इसको आप छोड़ नहीं सकते हो और इसमें जितने आप ज्यादा adverb use करते हैं उतना ही आपका benefit ज्यादा रहता है. This I tell my students as well. So you all are my students, so definitely I am going to help you out. इसको कैसे करना है, this is adverb और आप इसको use करें. और let's see what is the second task. That was a pie chart. And this is the pie chart. You can see here types of books borrowed. Okay, this is self-help, this is fiction, this is history, this is science, and this is biography. And we have biography 43% is fiction book, सबसे ज़्यादा है. So जो सबसे ज़्यादा होता है that is major chunk और जो सबसे कम होता है आप मेरी previous video में भी देखें तो I have used this word a lot, major chunk, and this is the least one, least proportion है, आप इनके लिए use कर सकते हैं. Okay, after that you can go ahead, you will start writing the sample. अभी check करते हैं कि sample में है क्या. सबसे पहले the line graph, name of the graph is very important, so आप वो जरूर लिखेंगे. Outlines की जगह पे आप illustrate ना लिखें. You cannot reveal भी मत लिखें, depict भी मत लिखें because this is 6.5 और अभी हम बात कर रहे हैं 7.5 जो guaranteed मैंने बोला if you write like that. So mark the changes that you want to do. Now outline the number of books hai. People rented from 4 rural libraries. You have totally changed the statement. And also while the pie chart, it gives the data, it gives a comparison on the kinds of books that were borrowed from the libraries. Now I have written here borrowed, so you have to change this word. You cannot use this word again and again. So generally speaking, this is the second paragraph. We will not write the conclusion differently. This is the conclusion, kind of conclusion for us, which is written in the form of overall trend. Generally speaking, the number of books, there will be no figures in this. बस इतना ध्यान रखिएगा. There cannot be any figures in the second paragraph, that is overall trend. As is presented, people borrowed. Again, I've been using borrowed. So let's change it. So let me clear. And instead of this, 250 renting. And then this is the second highest lender of the books. Again, we have changed it. And the third word is dispatched. So you can change the way of writing by using the synonyms, and that way your task becomes good. Always use interestingly or shockingly when we are writing. Interestingly, to be precise means to be exact. Again, subscribers borrowed from, instead of writing people, we have written subscribers here. In the next 3 months can be written in the form of quarter. तो हम उसको change कर सकते हैं next quarter because 3 months are quarter. ठीक है, हम उसको use कर सकते हैं. And you can also see the line which is given in yellow. That is the most erratic pattern जो मैंने आपको दिखाया था. If I split the window, you can see here in the line graph the most erratic pattern, and here we get this of lending books could be observed from Suttonwood Library. अभी ये change हो गया, which almost double हो गया था. Now moving to the pie chart like this, it is obvious. So I'll go to the pie chart and you can see ये है आपके पास. People mostly borrowed fiction, सबसे ज्यादा fictions लिए, which was more than 40% fell in this category. And जो ratio था 14%, that remained the same. उसके लिए हम use कर सकते हैं accounted for. So this is really a good word. Again, the task one depends on the comparison as well as the kind of vocabulary which you have used. आपने vocabulary जो है वो different way से use की होगी, उसी के लिए काम आता है ये. So अभी next है which was 5% lower than that of, we have not mentioned 19%, हमने कर दिया कि 14% है, which was 5% lower than biology books. So in this case you have completed the task. You have written 2 body paragraphs. One was for the line graph, another was for pie chart. And this is also 10% को कैसे लिखा है, which indicated 1 in 10. 10% को 1 in 10 भी लिख सकते हैं. Always use different methods to write down the figures, to give the numbers, because that is very important, so that you have shown the variation. And in this way you have completed the task. That is all. पक्का 7+ bands आने वाले हैं अगर आप ऐसा लिखने वाले हो. So all the best guys, do well. Next जैसा ही 26 मार्च और अप्रैल की जितनी भी डेट्स हैं फटाफट से उसकी प्रेडिक्शन आपको मिलने वाली है. नेक्स्ट वीडियो could be of रीडिंग पैसेज के नेम्स आने वाले हैं. सो वो भी जरूर करने हैं आपने, और उसके हिसाब से आप प्रैक्टिस करें. एंड टेलीग्राम पर मैंने रिसेंटली पोस्ट डाला है, दैट इज फॉर आइल्स मटेरियल की रीडिंग्स. आप वो पीडीएफ ले सकते हैं एंड प्रिपेयर योरसेल्फ फॉर द एग्जाम. टेक केयर एवरीवन. सब्सक्राइब करके रखें, हिट द बेल बटन, ताकि आपको सारी की सारी नोटिफिकेशन जल्दी से जल्दी मिल सके, और लाइक जरूर करना. टेक केयर एवरीवन. गुड डे.